Hello my dear students, today in this video we are continuing with lesson 7, the Mauryan Empire. Already we have completed Ashoka's empire, Kalinga war, etc. etc. And today we are discussing about Ashoka's Dhamma. Okay, Ashoka's Dhamma was derived from the Sanskrit word Dharma. Dhamma is derived from Dharma, that means religious unity, and it was influenced by Buddhism based on tolerance, non-violence, respect for elders, etc. etc. Okay, and what are the main principles of dharma? Where people should live in peace and harmony, they should show respect and tolerance to all irrespective of caste. They should respect all, and they should respect their elders, and masters should be kind to their servants. People should follow ahimsa and not kill any living beings. Okay, these are the important principles of dhamma. Okay, and for spreading dhamma, what was the efforts to spread dhamma? Ashoka issued edicts or royal orders for spreading the message of dhamma. Okay, and he had his edicts engraved on pillars, rocks, and it set up in public places all over the empire. The edicts were written in local scripts, local language they used for writing this Dhamma. Most of them were written in the Prakriti language. What was the language? Prakriti language. Okay, and using the Brahmi script. And in his the edict, Ashoka addressed himself as the father of his people. And next we can see the Buddhist Council and Foreign Mission. To settle difference in the interpretation of Buddhist teaching, Ashoka convened a Buddhist council at Pataliputra. For what? To settle differences in the interpretation of Buddhist teaching, Ashoka, he convened the Buddhist council at Pataliputra. After the council, Ashoka sent missionaries not only to different parts of India but also to foreign lands like Greece, Syria, Central Asia and Sri Lanka. The mission to Sri Lanka was led by Ashoka's son Mahendra and daughter Sangamitra. These missions spread the teachings of the Buddha beyond the borders of India. He sent many people inside India and outside of the world for spreading the teachings of Buddha. And what was the reason for the decline of Maurya? Ashoka stepped down from his throne in 232 BC, and he was succeeded by a series of weak rulers. That was the main reason for the decline of Maurya. Weak rulers. As a result, the system of administration began to collapse. In 185 BC, Brihadratha, the last Mauryan ruler, he was murdered by Pushyamitra Singha. Okay, and the Maurya dynasty came to an end. What was the main reason for the decline of Mauryan Empire? The weak successes. Okay, and next we can see the important art, Mauryan art. And during Ashoka's reign, we can see numerous number of monolith pillars, each carved out of the single piece of rock. Okay, and these have decorative tops called capitals. Okay, at the base, the capital has 4 parts. At the base, there is a bell-shaped inverted lotus with long petals. In the picture, you can see. Okay, in page number 52, one picture is there. Ashoka's pillars at Vaishali. Okay, and above this drum-shaped pedestal bearing 4 chakras or wheels facing 4 different directions. Between the chakras are 4 animals: horse, lion, an elephant, and a bull. Okay, and originally the lion supported a huge dharma chakra or wheel of law, which represented the law of Buddha. This wheel is now in pieces. And the lion capital and the wheel are the special significance to us. I think all of you see the lion capital at Saranath. In the coin notes everywhere we can see the picture. Okay, the lion capital and the wheel are of special significance to us. The lion capital is printed on our currency and government documents. The wheel appears on our national flag also. And Ashoka built a number of stupas, such as the great stupa at Sanchi. Stupas are dome shaped. Stupas are dome shaped monuments built on the Buddha's relics. Okay, remains like hair and teeth that are held sacred. Okay, and Mauryan artisans also carved out of caves from rocks for monks to live. Mauryan artisans, they carved many caves from rocks for monks. Okay, and these are the important things related with the lesson, and I am going to give the answers of the lesson. Okay.
Then, yeah. Important.